Or one storm 101 here. We got a ugly storm moving in. We got a nasty shelf cloud I could see down there, or a roll cloud. This is a thunderstorm that is ahead of a squall line that's coming. You can see there is a ugly roll cloud coming. You know what that means? That means there's going to be strong winds. Radar has indicated hail up to 1 inch in diameter. Surprisingly enough, this is not severe warning, but this has to be. If you look on the lightning on the radar, there's a lot of it. So a very ugly storm that's about to move in here in just a moment. Even more storm clouds are still building. So got to be really careful. I'm gonna get on top of the hill here, up the driveway. It's a better view. I'm not gonna be up here for too much longer due to the intensity of the lightning. But man, that is a nasty roll cloud that's about to move in. There's no other storms interrupting. This is ahead of the storm. See, it's nothing clear. There's more storms that way. But this is a nasty shelf cloud about to move in. This is probably going to be the storm of the year for me, especially when this storm is producing possibility of large hail. See, the lightning is fairly intense as of right now. Yeah, the lightning keeps on getting worse. Definitely should be a severe thunderstorm warning. Surprised one has not even come out yet. See one end of the shelf cloud, there's the other. Very dark. Definitely a storm to really watch here. It's ugly. Listen. Little update on the storm. It's getting closer, but something I want to mention about is these clouds right above us. It looks very weird, but you can tell shelf cloud is very large right now. Another short update here. Shelf cloud again getting very close to very large. We're starting to see lightning starting to move across back there now. It's very dangerous storm. Probably going to see some hail out of this. You can see the lightning is still very intense. The squall line's actually caught up with this storm. So, yeah. Again, a very ugly storm still. If you looked on radar, again, the squall line's caught up with this cell. So this cell is going to be becoming alpha dominant, pretty much. But man, I tell you what, it's something else, and it is still extremely dark back here, especially in my own eyes. It is very dark back there, and it's pretty much the evening hours. So, wow, lightning coming out that way. Just saw that. Yeah, I'm probably actually gonna move upstairs. That's probably gonna be my next option, which is up there. But one thing I'm afraid of is gonna be the rain that's going to be blowing onto the screens there, and you'll not be able to see well. So I got two other options. One option is going to be going back porch. Secondary options is going to be probably the most dangerous option. It's going to be right at that door right there, which I've done it a couple of times, and both of those have pretty well paid off for me. So might do that again, but I'll be much safer up in the second floor. You also get a better view of stuff. Looks like we actually might have something going on right here, actually. You got a shelf cloud right here and another one kind of bending out right here. Oh, this is, and your convergence zone is right there. Oh, this is interesting. This is what might be going on here. Oh. So we may have two outflow boundaries, or maybe two outflow boundaries starting to intersect each other, which is right there, right in front of us. So it may try to rotate. I'm going to look on my screen, see if there's any it doesn't look like there's, okay, it is blurry right now. Let's see. There, that's a little better. No, it's a little bit blurry. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit blurry. Let's see. And it's not as blurry, but you know, it's dark, so we actually may have again two outflow boundaries intersecting. Look at this. Yeah, I mean, this is one right here, number two is right here. This is going to be a very interesting storm. If it's going to be tornado warned or whatever, if it's going to be rotating, it is going to be right there. So I'm going to watch this very closely. And so yeah, this is definitely a very dangerous storm. Now I do not know how strong the winds are going to be. That's going to be kind of questionable, but the hail is probably going to be around maybe quarter-sized hail with this. Okay, I do not like the way how this is blurry. Let me try pausing it. Might be a little bit better or no change, but I don't know, but it is moving slow. I gotta say, it's moving slow. Eventually, when this shelf cloud kind of gets over us, we're gonna go in and move in. I definitely need to get like my own camera very soon because the phone is not going to do well. You can see it is. The blurriness is complete garbage, and that is what a flashes of lightning there. Alright, we're starting to get some wind here, which I can hear it in the distance as well. So, oh yeah, the winds are starting to get stronger. You can hear in the distance. So, I'm gonna go move towards the door. We're gonna be going in. Comes our wind. Could be a gust front. I don't know. Dogs barking in the background. Probably telling me to go in. Alright, I'm going to give you guys a radar imagery type of update. Alright, so it was not working on my TV radar, but I'm on my computer. Again, the storm is about to roll in, so this is the situation right now. So it's not as bad. It is still producing a lot of lightning, however. See, this is the cell that I'm talking about right here, and here comes this line coming in. Now they're about to merge with each other, so yeah, not severe warned or anything with this. So should have been severe warned much earlier. Alright, so I put it up onto the window. You guys will have a view of the storms from up here. It's actually my go outside to check again. So I'm now back to my door, and the storm is pretty close. I gotta say, it's almost here. So now it's starting to rain. Definitely looks like it's bowing out. Sure, I'll go to the back porch. Alright, on the back porch. This is probably where I'm going to stay because I'll be out of the rain. Also, sounds inside it's not that great, so this is probably the best I'll be able to do here. See if the winds will pick up, which it might. Well, the winds are picking up. As you've seen there back on my radar, the situation is unfortunately, it seemed like the shelf cloud kind of died off. So I don't know what happened there. Might be dying, but we're going to see. It was a pretty good storm. I gotta say, it was a really good storm, but it doesn't seem like it's not as good. Okay, we'll find out. Can't say it'd be too early to say. Storm is going to be coming from right over there. I want to look back this way. Yeah, shelf cloud is starting to maybe still be around. Mine just went over us. And mine had. That tree right there, it's been roughed up by storms in the past. Two large, well, not really large, but medium-sized tree limbs, and 2 thunderstorms. Alright, winds picking up, probably more of a 25-mile-per-hour gust there. Alright, the winds are probably picking up 35, 40 now. And we're probably... Oh yeah, these winds are really starting to pick up. Just the umbrella right there. It's closed. Blown away by now if we had it open still. Still producing non-stop lightning. About halfway done for the video. I got about close to 38 minutes on this, so. I'm gonna look back this way, see where the shelf cloud is. Oh yeah, it is well past right now. Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty good storm. We're getting more rain. Back up. Back up. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's really starting to pick up. Oh yeah, it's going to get real bad. You can hear the wind at a distance. It's going to be pretty strong. That was probably 50 to 60 mile per hour gust right there. Alright. Storms are getting pretty bad out here. Oh boy. I'll probably say about 50 at max right now. 50 miles per hour. Alright, winds keep on getting stronger. Oh, okay, that was a 60 gust, 60, 65 gust right there. Wow. Oh yeah, the winds are very strong out here. Let me get you a view of this tree right here. Get you a good idea how strong the winds are. Oh man. Likely 60 plus. 60 plus. Man, the winds are very strong out here. You can hear it in the background. And, oh, never mind. I thought the power went out, but no. This is an awesome thunderstorm, man. The lightning out here is just non-stop, man. Jeez. Most of these are not really cloud of ground. Really. I don't think so. Lightning is insane, man. Wow. I'm kind of surprised we still have power after that wind, guys. Probably did some wind damage. But man, the lightning is just the best part of this storm. It's just the lightning. Alright, winds are picking up again. My question is, are we getting any hail? That's my question. I guarantee you it was producing hail earlier. But then it got engulfed with this squall one, which I don't know. It's really a cell and a squall one just basically joined forces right over us, pretty much is what happened. Oh, big gust of wind right there. Man, it is still going nuts out here. That was definitely probably 60. Probably again. Again, not severe warned. So I'm kind of surprised, man. I think the velocity's not this strong, but here at the surface, man, it's a different story. For sure. I'm going to be interested to see what the mezzanine side nearby me is going to say. And we are still getting hammered out here. This has been going on for probably about 10 minutes. And we're still getting hammered. Probably some short-term flash flooding likely with this. Oh, that was close. Woo! It's close. Oh man, I am so happy, man. Oh, there actually might be some hail. There actually might be. Maybe pea-sized hail. Probably when the next lightning strike comes. I'm kind of looking on the floor here. Might be some pea-sized hail on the floor. Here's this way. The wind has pretty much calmed down, but not the lightning and the rain. It is still pouring. Here, I'm gonna crouch down and see if there's any hail. I don't feel any hail pellets. My hand out there. Yeah, I don't feel any hail. Hard as gosh. Crazy out here. The original timing of this storm was going to be like in the middle of the night. No, it came in pretty early. I was like, man, that's kind of sudden. That was in the morning. This morning, the original forecast is for this round to come in late tonight. But no, it came in many hours early. So, this is awesome. Yeah, there's no hail. Dang, man. Hail around here in Kentucky is just rare, man. The largest hail I've ever seen is pea-sized. And that's it. That shows you how rare this is. And that was many years ago. I was honestly getting a little hyped about the possibility for hail. I wish I still got here earlier. And then the squall line is pushed through. Alright. And this is pretty good. More than pretty good. Storm of the year, it's probably going to take second place. First place goes to that one of my videos that actually went on to the Weather Channel. And that was insane. Because it happened in the daytime, I can actually see the wind. And this time it's nighttime, but what's making it go second place is the duration of this, and the lightning is insane. This is probably getting close to number one at this point in my books. Yeah, I'll take it. I will take it, man. It is still pouring down rain, and the lightning is just not stopped. The only difference is it's just the wind. It's not that. There's not much of any wind now. Man, I still got 6 minutes with this here. I guarantee you, if you're hundreds of miles behind this storm, there could be some red sprites on top of the storm. I mean, the lightning with this storm is just ridiculous. If you look on satellite, the storm ahead of the squall line had an overshoot time. Excuse me. Maybe some wind changing direction here. Oh. Seems like most of the lightning is happening over there now, since the storm is pretty much passed, so. Yeah, there's your thunder.